What are those things that you consider while analyzing the chart or breaking down the chart for daily entries? This is the most common question I receive every day from traders. So if you are not following my Telegram group where I drop daily forecast, I think you have opportunity to join this Telegram group now for free. You can look at the group and see, like today I've already dropped chart breakdown already. Yesterday we dropped, day before yesterday we dropped, and trying to see if I will continue doing this on a daily basis. So you can join this group for free. You don't need to pay anything. So as I don't have a VIP signal group, I don't have a general mentorship of any kind, then this is an opportunity for you to, trade with me, learn from me as I learn from you too, as we grow together in this field. So click the link in the description of this video or in the comment section that I'll be pinning, okay, to join this Telegram group or channel, okay, for free. All right, where you can actually take a trade, just watching my videos, my chart breakdown, and taking a decision yourself. The question again is, what do I consider anytime I want to do my chart breakdown or analysis or forecasting? I consider just 4 things. First thing I look at for whenever I open my chart is key levels on a higher time frame. So I use daily time frame for key levels. The second thing I look for is trend bias, and I do this on 4 hours time frame. The third thing is I look for double break of structure or market structure shift on 30 minutes time frame, which is my entry time frame. And I also now, after I've discovered this, I'll now look for my entry, maybe using candlesticks or any pattern that is forming within the zone. So I'm going to be using this VS75 for example, and on this VS75, this is daily time frame, and as you are looking at this chart, you can easily pick some levels where we are going to be taking. So if you look from here, price reacted at this zone, price also reacted here, price reacted at this zone. So looking at this zone already, you know that this is a key level which the price have respected severally. So all you have to do is to plot in your line, or you can use a trend line, you can use a rectangular to anything you want. Now that we have a strong key level right here, you can actually look at what is happening above. So we also have another key level right here. So now that you have your key levels on daily time frame, all you have to do is to go down to 4 hours time frame to look for direction. Okay, so let me give you an instance. If you look at what happened here, we have a key level below and above. Then if you look at what is happening from here, you can see we have a clear direction towards the upward side from here. Price is breaking structures towards the upward side. Now that you have a clear direction, all you have to do is to decide what you are going to be doing. You now go down to 30 minutes time frame to look for double break of structure. And what do I mean by double break of structure? Remember, you have identified a key level on daily time frame. You have also seen a clear break of structure towards the upward side, which confirms the uptrend. So all you need to do is to go down to 30 minutes time frame to identify a market structure shift or double break of structure. Any of them will help you take decision of what to do. On 30 minutes time frame, from what you can see from here, we had double break of structure. After we have decided, or we have seen a clear direction towards the upward side, you can equally see that the price, while breaking this structure, also there's internal structures that the price have been taking out, ranging from what we have here to the next thing we have here, and this point, then finally this point. So at this point, we have double break of structure. The price have been breaking structure inwardly, internal break of structure, and we have this external break of structure, making this particular move a strong move towards the upward side. So once I confirm this double break of structure, I am in for buy. So all I have to do now is to simply wait for a particular buying opportunity. Maybe you can use indicators. I'm of opinion that any of this strategy can actually work. It all depends on how you apply it. So now I have confirmed that everything about this particular market is going to be buying. All I need to do is to check out my entry, which I'm not of opinion that you must learn my own entry. You can actually figure out the way you should enter your own trade. All right, but this is exactly how I break down my chart. So let's go back to 4 hours time frame. Now that we have seen our key level, and this is we are going to see what is currently happening in the market. So this is VS75 on 4 hours time frame. This is our key level. The price tapped a little bit into the key level, and you can see after that the price is also from here we had a clear break of structure at this point right here. So after this break of structure, we have another level, but the price have not taken that level out yet. So because of this, we need to pay close attention to whatever the price is doing on 30 minutes time frame. So if you go down to 30 minutes time frame, we are going to be looking for double break of structure or market structure shift for us to know exactly where we are heading to. So let's see what is happening on 30 minutes time frame. Now on 30 minutes time frame, you can see that the price have done the same thing like I explained. In the process of breaking this structure, we had another structure taken out from here. You can see this level have been broken clearly, then before taken out here. Then look at another thing that is happening right here. Price has been taking out structures around here, so I don't need to draw those things. So this is a major structure that's supposed to be taken out, but the price haven't done that. So look at what is happening. So at this point, okay, of this retracement, you can see that we are having a clear market structure shift at this point, because prices have been breaking structures towards the downside. You can see this level have been taken out, this level also have been taken out. So now you can equally see that this level, after sweeping, also the price closes below and took out this level. Now after that, we have a high. So after this high, the price aggressively took out this level, which help us to have what is popularly known as market structure shift. And after this market structure shift, all we are going to be looking for on volatility 75 is all about buy, and buy. So you decide where to enter your buy. You can use candlestick, you can use indicator, you can use fair value gap, you can use order block, you can use anything. The most important thing is that you have seen, or you clearly know direction. Okay, you already know where this price is likely going to go. You just need to target a particular point where you are going to be making your entry. One amazing thing about this Telegram group I just shared initially is that in that group I also drop not just forecasting or breaking down the chart, but I also give them zones where the price is likely going to react to. If you are looking at this point, I give them also zones. If you look at this one, these are the points I'm waiting for the price to retrace back so that we start buying. Okay, that is another advantage you can equally take, okay, by joining this Telegram group. It's completely free, like I said. All right, so basically that's that for this video. I just want to share with you how I break down the chart. Quick recap: first, you go to a higher time frame, daily time frame, to mark out key levels. The second thing, you move down to 4 hours time frame to look for your trend, to see or take decision about the direction of the market, trend bias. The third one is that you look for double break of structure on 30 minutes time frame or market structure shift for you to confirm the move. Then the last but not the least is that you look for entries. And I said I am of opinion that every strategy works, every entry strategy works, whether you use indicators, whether you use order block, whether you use fair value gap, you use inducements. Any of these things can actually make you money. It all depends on how you use it and how consistently you stick to your plan and your trading strategy. So guys, I hope this is helpful, and I will see you guys in the next one. If you love this kind of content, let me know in the comment section. Like this video and also share to someone you think or you believe that might need this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.